Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which mix amp version you have and whether your PC has USB or optical input. Plug the mix amp into a powered USB port so it gets stable power, and then connect the A40 headset to the mix amp with its 3.5 mm cable. Once done, install and launch Astro Command Center so Windows recognizes the device. This gives you firmware updates and EQ control. Make sure Windows audio isn't routed elsewhere. Set mix amp as default playback while the software runs. Once the mix amp is connected and software is installed, open Windows Sound Settings and set the mix amp as both default playback and communications device. This ensures game and chat audio route correctly. If your PC supports optical out, switch the mix amp to optical input for improved surround and less USB contention. Then adjust the hardware or software gain, equalizer, and the game/chat mix so you hear game audio clearly while retaining voice chat levels. Keep monitoring levels to avoid clipping. You finish by validating both playback and microphone. Record a voice sample or use a chat test to confirm clarity and correct input selection. If issues arise, update mix amp firmware and Astro Command Center. Many bugs resolve with the latest firmware. Make sure to try a different USB port or avoid powered hubs, and switch between optical and USB inputs to isolate the problem. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio drops or mic isn't detected, power cycle the mix amp and reconnect cables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.